Hello students. Topic of the day is article writing. An article writing is a kind of writing that is written to reach a massive audience with the help of the press. In case of article writing, the press refers to publish houses of newspapers, magazines, journals, etc. etc. Writing a newspaper article or writing a magazine article is not so easy. It requires a lot of research and writing skills. There are various types of article writings like newspaper article, writing a magazine article, SEO article writing, online article writing, freelance article writing and many more. So SEO writing is nothing but the search engine optimization of the article that requires a lot of research on the internet. There are several ways in which one can use most of the search engine optimization techniques. First, among them is to use keywords. Keywords refer to important words of the article that could be used several times in a paragraph. That in my last video I have discussed about the keyword, the key sentence or the topic sentence. Same technique you have to use here while writing an article. So some points you have to remember while writing an article. The first point is give a title that catches the attention of the readers. So title is very important. Next, begin with a striking opening sentence which addresses the readers and get them interested in your article. Next one is present a strong argument for your ideas, supporting it with evidence also. Third one is the linking devices, usage of linking devices. What are they? However, therefore, even though, in order to. So this kind of words you have to use to make the composition appear a whole. Introduce a new point at the beginning of each paragraph that follows to strengthen your ideas. Develop your ideas as much as you can to make them interesting and substantial. Conclude your strongest point. Conclude the article with your strongest point. And always use passive voice while writing. So let's have a look on the format of the article. If I talk about the heading or title, make your title or heading eye-catching. It should illustrate the theme of the article. Next one is byline. The name must be given, that who is writing the article. And then we will start the introduction part. Put the topic in a proper perspective. Relevant facts and statistics should be stated along with quotation. If you write a quotation, if you start your article with a quotation, that will be better. And then develop your topic. Various aspects of the topic including merits, demerits, causes, reasons, effects, results, positive, negative points, etc. etc. And all the things must have to discuss. And then summing up. This should include your opinion, comments, recommendations, steps to be taken or suggestion or solution. And at the last, conclusion part. An article should be concluded with hope, warning or making an appeal to the mass. So, your content part must be divided into 4 paragraphs. Introduction, development of the topic, then summing up, then conclusion. Hope you have understood. and now it will be easier for you to write a topic. So guys, I hope you have understood how to write an article. Just keep in your mind, your article must contain 4 paragraphs. First one is of introduction, second one is of development of your idea or your points, third one is of summing up, and fourth one is of conclusion. Just keep in your mind while writing article that it should be engaging enough to make the reader go from beginning to end. Hope now article writing is not so difficult for you. Go for it.